Good morning. It's the weekend. Even if हम वर्क फ्रॉम होम करते हैं मेरे लिए वीकेंड का एक्साइटमेंट अलग लेवल होता है. मतलब आई जस्ट वांट लाइक ले डाउन और इवन कुछ एक्टिविटी करना है, बाहर जाना है, तो आई रियली वांट माय वीकेंड्स. तो अब है थोड़े आराम से उठे हैं, नॉट टू लेट बट यस आराम से उठे हैं. एंड ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने का किसी का मन नहीं है और वीकेंड का ब्रेकफास्ट थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट होना चाहिए ना. सो वी जस्ट ऑर्डर्ड सम प्योर मुंबईया ब्रेकफास्ट. ओ सॉरी, एक डोसा है उसमें, सॉरी नो, बट मिसल पाव, वड़ा पाव एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वो ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे एंड देन लेट्स सी. आई एम प्लानिंग टू क्लीन अप द हाउस अ बिट. थोड़ा वीक्स चले गए हैं, सो नीड टू क्लीन अप अ बिट. सो लेट्स गेट ऑन विद. गौरव, आधा दिन निकल गया है for the of the weekend. What have you accomplished till now?
Watched Drishyam 2.
It's such an amazing movie, right?
Hmm.
I mean, आप लोग हमारा reactions देख सकते हैं, but it is crazy. It's a class movie for sure. उसके वजह से मेरा vlog भी late हो गया, but I have finally uploaded it. Day 2 का 2 days in a row. A good accomplishment. What do you say?
Yeah.
And that's an interesting one. Day 2 का काफी कुछ हुआ, so it was really interesting. So finally we're off the couch और I think it's pretty lazy day. Half day निकल चुका है. We didn't have our lunch because breakfast इतना heavy था. So I thought I'll just like take you through my basic but like skincare routine for a very very sensitive skin. Very. So अगर हम आगे कभी ट्रिप पे गए जहाँ पे I'm exposed to sun too much, then you'll know what I mean. So these are the products which I've tried and tested and which kind of like are working for me. तो फर्स्ट है द बॉडी शॉप द टी ट्री ऑयल टोनर. सो ये काइंड ऑफ मेरे को तो हेल्प करता है फॉर कीपिंग इट. ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ मिक्स्ड स्किन मी एंड देर आर फ्यू एरियाज जहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट्स बहुत ईजीली हो जाते हैं. And then there are few areas which are like super dry. But ये वाला जहाँ पे भी breakout हुआ रहेगा, it tries to like minimize it and dry it up. अब आज थोड़ा extra करने का मन है, but I'm really 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 lazy. And as you know, yesterday only I got few masks. So let's see कौन सा वाला we should try. I've been really hating my skin for the last few days, I should say. Okay, this seems a little interesting. और ये मैंने पहले यूज़ नहीं किया हुआ. This is a lotus flower and tiger lily mask. We're just going to keep it to dry. And I'm back. As I said, I'm going to talk about my skincare, skin products. Sunscreen is the most thing right now for me. क्योंकि I have a condition जहाँ पे I don't know if I stay in the sun for a very long time, वो sunburn. Actually, yeah, tanning is like the best thing for me अगर sun में उतना ही हुआ तो. But sunburn gets to another level where I kind of like have to suffer for a week. वो मैं आपको ऐसे समझा नहीं सकती. I think I'll just have to show you in one of my travel vlogs. So the doctor has said that you cannot miss sunscreen at any day, at any point. is a new sunscreen I'm trying actually. So I'm at the mission of getting a sunscreen जो white cast ना छोड़े, but it does leave a slight bit of white cast if काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है तो. But Cetaphil is my go-to brand for skin products. और जब मेरे को condition होती है when my face blows up or sunburn होता है, Cetaphil cream is the only thing that actually comes to my rescue. The other thing which I use as a lotion is this Drops of Youth, again the Body Shop का emulsion. Actually no, this is a serum. I am trying to get my hands on emulsion जो मैंने पहले use किया हुआ है, and emulsion is the best. I mean it gives your skin that such a nice sheen, but वो अभी कहीं पे available ही नहीं है फिलहाल. In addition to this, I use the Body Shop's face wash also, like the scrub one. So that is also there. The other products which I use like during the day, if you just want as a setting spray or a really nice face, it's just like a good refresher. Then this is Evans thermal water is one of the best, which kind of works for me definitely. And the other thing I swear by is Freeman face mask. ये वाला, ये मैंने first time use किया था when one of my cousin got it from US, and it's a clay mask but it does not dry up your skin and it is so good. I can't even tell you. Itna clear skin, and it just keeps it like moisturized and looking so fresh. So it's just like 10-15 minutes rakho and then you can just like wash it off. But it is so good, and as you can see, I've used it to the last of its. The other new thing that I got is this organic moringa oil of Kama Ayurveda, and this is again like for अगर night routine में अगर आपको oil लगा के रखना है for your hydration of the skin, I feel it is pretty good. The other thing, of course, the lip butter. This one also I just got it actually. This is of Fab India. It's kind of like a winter shopping ka product, but actually I kind of wanted, I swear by a lip mask by a French brand. I can't remember its name. Legine or something like that. I used it once and मेरी बहुत dry skin है, okay? And my lips are too dry at any point of season or day. So that kind of really helped me, but it's just I've run out of it and I've not bought it again yet. So I'll just have to refill on that. But after the skin, I think the sun is pretty good. So let me just show you. So this is how the skin looks with tired and sleepy eyes. But yes, and now I'm again gonna chill on the couch. ये आदतें बिगाड़ते हुए रात को 11 बजे खाना खाने लेते आते हुए घर का खाना सब कुछ खा लिया and then wants to eat Chinese at 11 o'clock.
11:07.
Dumbass. Back home और गौरव का रिचुअल of watching Gaurav Taneja and Mumbaikar Nikhil's vlogs. You love them, no?
Yeah.
I am watching it to get inspired and kind of learn the art of vlogging. So yeah, it's pretty interesting
I think.
how they're so used to
Hmm.
camera. Like वो ये camera is just like the another person जो उनके साथ घूम रहा है. So it's not a different thing as such. And the moments they capture, people they capture, they don't get conscious of keeping camera as a one another this thing. Because मेरे को जैसे ही जितने लोग मेरे को पता है who are cool with it and who already know कि I kind of like make videos or whatever, like whenever I've done the travel vlogs or anything also, जैसे एक नया बंदा ऐड हो जाता है, my first instinct is to put away the camera and just not vlog, not even like try, but just like don't do it. So I think that's just gonna take time, obviously, but I'm gonna try.
मेरे को लग रहा है 5th 6th vlog तक you will be fine.
No, I have to see. मेरा क्या है ना, I have to एक बार मेरे को उस नए बंदे के साथ vlog या ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ता है. Like I have to get used to of the fact that that person is also okay with it.
पर ये लोग ऐसे बताते हैं, बट बैक एंड में ये लोग पहले बोल देते हैं कि देख भाई ऐसा ऐसा
कैमरा हम करने वाले हैं.
हाँ, और मैं दिस इज माय काइंड ऑफ अ वर्क, तो वो लोग बता देते हैं, तो एंड उसके बाद देन दे शूट.
हाँ, because then
फिर वो पार्ट
I feel very like conscious of like putting somebody or just like just saying that.
बट तूने अगर पहले ही बोल दिया उसको
हाँ
कि देख ऐसा है तो तू कूल है कि नहीं है, मतलब डू यू माइंड इट और नॉट, तो मैं तेरे को नहीं लूंगी. So you never give them an option के मैं नहीं करूँगी. You give them an option कि I'll not take you if you're not comfortable.
हाँ. But yeah, but I have to also get comfortable of the fact that I'll still do it भले उस बंदे को नहीं. It's not about taking that person in the frame. It's about doing it in the presence of those people.
अरे but that way you set the expectation set हो जाती है ना लोगों की.
उनको पता है that we are going to do this. So yeah. So I think वो चीज़ बोलने को ही मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगने वाला है. Outside of my circle, of course.
नहीं हो जाएगा. मेरे को लग रहा है 3rd 4th 5th वीडियो तक हो जाएगा.
Well, this is the 3rd one already, so we'll see. और क्या लॉकडाउन है ना, कहीं जा नहीं रहे, तो अभी भी वैसे वो उसमें ही है. एक वन यूनिवर्स इज स्टिल सेट. उस यूनिवर्स से बाहर निकलने के लिए तो अभी लग नहीं रहा भाई टाइम है. बट होपफुली वी आर प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप, और वो अगर मैनिफेस्ट हुआ तो इट विल बी फाइन. सो एनीवेज, आई एम गोना फिनिश द व्लॉग हियर. वैसे ही मेरा थोड़ा सिर दर्द हो रहा है और everything, so I'm just gonna finish it here and not skip on the meditation.
कुछ ऐसा
क्या
वो एंड करने वाला नहीं,
और सब टैगलाइन
ही मतलब हाँ वो
but like a dialogue something. We'll come up with it. क्या हम जैसे threshold of 20-30 people watching it से थोड़ा ऊपर जाए, I'll think of them. But yes, I just have to finish my meditation before going to sleep. And yes, so good night. See you in the next vlog. अगर यहाँ तक वीडियो देख लिया तो please subscribe and like.
Please कर दो.
Please. It's a way of motivation for me.
देख तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब कर दोगे तो मैं I'll be very true to you guys के मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि इसके फटाफट सब्सक्राइबर बन जाए तो फिर मैं ब्लॉगिंग शुरू कर दूँ, मुझे उतनी मेहनत ना करनी पड़े, मेरे को शाउट आउट मिल जाए, और फिर हमारा ऐसा तुमको पता चल गया कि असली भाई कौन है, मतलब असली मतलब बोलते ना व्लॉगर कौन है, वो तुमको मैं जब शुरू करूँगा ना तो तुमको समझ में आएगा. तो तुम इसको सब्सक्राइब करो ताकि तुमको मैं देखने मिलूँ, क्योंकि फिर मैं यूट्यूब पे आऊँगा ऐसे करके. तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइबर,
मेरे से ग्राउंड वर्क करो.
हाँ प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइबर गाइस, प्लीज़.
Good night.